welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are supposed to start today the exercise of the chapter 5, whose name is lines and angles. Yesterday we have discussed some of the terms which we are supposed to use during the course of this chapter. So we have discussed the line segment, ray, angle, and types of angle. We have discussed means like complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear pair angles, vertically opposite angles, and at the same time we have discussed the parallel lines and the transversal as well, and the angle forms when a pair of parallel line is intersected by the transversal. Then the alternate angles are there, the corresponding angles are there, consecutive angles are there. So all these things now we are supposed to use while solving the questions of the exercises. So today we will start with exercise 5.1, and the first question is there. We have to find the complement of each of the following. One part I will do, and the remaining you have to solve by yourself. First part is given, in which one angle is given whose value is 20 degree. We have to find the complement of this angle. So let you have to find the complement or supplement. Complement. Let the complement be x. So x plus 20 degree, the sum of both the angles, means these are the complementary angles, the sum of both the angles should be equals to 90 degree, and from here x is equals to 90 degree and 20 will go that side, it will become minus, and 90 minus 20, that is 70 degree. Now this is 20 degree and the complement will be 70 degree. These both are complementary angles. Why these are complementary angles? Because sum of these two angles is 90. 70 plus 20 is 90. So like this we are supposed to proceed this question. Now we will see in the next question. In the next question as well we will take one part, that is question number 2. At the same time you can see in your textbooks, as I told you previously, that you should have your textbooks with you while watching the videos, so that you should also know what is given in the question. So question number 2, find the supplement of each of the following angle. We have to find the supplement there, and the first part is the angle is given 105. degree. So again we will write let the supplement be x. So x plus 105, the sum of the supplementary angles is 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 degree, and this will go this side, as we have done in the previous chapter, that is simple equation. So this is the simple equation. We have formed the simple equation. Now we are solving that for the unknown value, that is x. So here x we will get 75 degree. So 75 is less than 90, so the angle will be like this. 75 degree. So both these are supplementary angles. Why these are supplementary angles? Because sum of these two angles is 180. 75 degree plus 105 degree, that is 180 degrees. So after question number 2, now we will move towards question number 3. Now in question number 3, identify which of the following pair of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Means we are supposed to sum them, and afterwards we have to see whether the sum is 180 or 90. If the sum is 180, then the angles are supplementary, and if the sum is 90, then we can say the angles are complementary. The first one 65 degrees plus 115 degrees. So if we add, we will get 180, means these are supplementary angles. Now second one 63 degrees and 27 degrees, the sum will be 90. So these are complementary angles. So you are supposed to sum, add up the angles given in each part, and you have to see whether the sum is 180 or 90. If sum is 180, then the angles are supplementary. If the sum is 90, then the angles will be complementary. If the sum is other than 180 or 90, then the angles are neither supplementary nor complementary. They will be complementary or supplementary in one case only. If 180 is there, then angles are supplementary. If 90 is there, the angles are complementary. So that you are supposed to do by yourself. Question number 4, find the angle which is equals to it complement. Which is equals to it complement means two angles are there of same measurement. Means suppose complement. These two angles are there. Let this be x and let this be x, because both the angles are same. So let each angle be x, because both are equal. So x plus x, as the angles are complementary, then their sum will be 90. Why? We will write here complementary angles. So x plus x, 2x is equals to 90 degree, and x will be equals to 90 degree divided by 2, and x will be equals to 45 degrees. So 45 degree and 45 degree, both angles are equal, and their sum is 90 degree. Hence these angles are complementary. Find the angle which is equals to its supplement. Again we have to do the same thing, but we have to put the sum, that is 180 degree, because the angles given are supplementary, and afterwards we can find out the value of x is 90. So that you are supposed to do by yourself. Now question number 6, in the given figure angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Yes, the figure is given next to the question. If angle 1 is decrease, what change should take place in angle 2? If angle 1 decreases, then angle 2 will increase, so that the both angles will still remain supplementary. If they are supposed to be supplementary, then if angle A decreases, then if the one angle decreases, then second supposed to increase in the same proportion. So if angle 1 decreases, angle 2 will increase. Now in question number 7, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? Now what are acute angles? Acute angles are the angles whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Right angles means the measurement is fixed, that is 90 degree. Obtuse angles are the angles whose measurement is more than 90 and less than 180. So it is in this question, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? Acute means दोनों की वैल्यू हमारी क्या है, 90 से कम है. If 90 से कम है तो दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे, then they will not add up to 180 degree. So two acute angles can not be supplementary. दोनों का सम 180 नहीं होगा, hence they cannot be supplementary. Second, obtuse. If both the angles are more than 90 degree, then their sum will be more than 180 degree. Hence again, if both the angles are obtuse, they cannot be supplementary. Third one, if both the angles of right angle, right means right angle means 90 degree. If both the angles of 90 degree means 90 degree plus 90 degree, that is the sum is 180 degree, hence both the angles will be supplementary. So third one is true and the first and second are not true. So like this you are supposed to repeat all the questions which we have done today in this video, and at the same time you are supposed to read the next questions, and you should try. If you are able to solve, that's very good. If you are unable to solve, then in the next video tomorrow we will solve them out. And if you are facing any problem and having any doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. At the same time, the questions you are supposed to repeat what we have done here. At the same time, the homework means the questions which we have explained only, not solved here on the board, those also you are supposed to solve in your rough notebook, and after solving those questions you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.